Hey guys, so I just wanted to remake this video on how to get rich using the ChatGPT store. So first off, you're going to want to come here to Explore. Next, you want to click Create. Right here, you can either manually configure or have ChatGPT build you your ChatGPT agent for you to sell on the store. When you're done, come up here and click Save, and then next thing you know, you will have, assuming you had a good idea, your own ChatGPT. I believe they call them agents, but these are what you'll be selling on the OpenAI ChatGPT store. You can make them about anything. You can add APIs to them. There's a whole lot of videos that'll teach you specifically how to program them, but it's actually really easy. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to go here to Explore, click Create, and then tell it what you want your GPT agent to do. So for this one, it creates an image from an animal's point of view. So let's see. Show me a picture from a dog's point of view. Okay, so now it's finished loading. Here is an image from a dog's point of view, depicting a park scene from a dog's point of view. Visual representation is based on the understanding that dogs have dichromatic vision, primarily seeing shades of blue and yellow. Now that would make me also very, very happy. That looks really cool. Kind of an interestingly generated image. This dog's face is kind of a little wonky. So that's pretty fun. Let's try maybe a scorpion. Alright, so I've typed in show me a picture from a scorpion's point of view. Let's see what it generates. I'll pause and bang. Alright, here's an image representing the desert landscape from a scorpion's point of view. The visual is crafted to reflect a scorpion's vision, which is mainly sensitive to blue and green wavelengths. You'll notice the predominant shades of blue and green. Wow, that's very interesting. As you can see, it didn't necessarily do it from the perspective of a scorpion, but it did show us a scorpion from the perspective of a scorpion. Really, really cool stuff. You could probably do a rhino or an alligator or whatever you want, but this is one I've made. Link is in the description. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.